There it is, 1958 Hermes Ambassador typewriter machine. The manual brags of 50 some odd features, one of which includes this notebook or tab holder. I kind of broke it down to 11 with two pretty unique ones for this machine. Let's start with the paper feeder. This is the paper feeder handle, made of chrome. You set the number of lines you want it to feed. Really nice decal there. So let's try it. Piece of paper. I mean, that paper stand is just ridiculously huge. So everything's set. Oops, bunch that up. Have it set. Yes, here we go. Feeds the paper right to your roller. It's a perfect feed every time until you get the adjustments right. Correct. Focus, focus. Right in here. So the cool thing, it's a nice logo there. So yeah, there's a few things about this keyboard we should go over. The thing that I like personally, it has 8 different fraction keys, which is kind of unheard of. You can see everything's really clean. We'll pop that open in a minute. See the inside. First, let's see how it types. Standard test tube. From Fox. Type setting. Since I bragged about them, those wonderful fraction tabs, fraction keys. Oh, they're so nice. You can see the detail on the tabbing and everything. I haven't seen any. There's no missing faded numbers. So that's one crank, demystified. This just releases the carriage back and forth. Again, focus there. And this will set your left margin. Okay, I should probably explain what that noise was. The tab key is powered by an asynchronous motor, so it's technically a bit of a hybrid, not a pure manual typewriter, but it sounds like a jet engine when it goes. I believe the engine is somewhere right here. We'll take a look at it shortly. So let's, if I wanted to type past my right margin, since we're here, that's what this key's for. It'll allow you to keep going. Can't type, release margin, I can type. And this key essentially does the same thing, but for either side. So let's set a left margin here. Yeah, if we wanted to type before that left margin, just set that and backspace. This, by the way, is the backspace. tab key is amazing. It's like blasting off. You have 4 ribbon settings here instead of the usual 3. Blue is black. I believe yellow is what normally is red. White is blank, so that's normal. And red will type, if you have a 2-colored ribbon, it will type both at the same time. It'll give you a zebra ribbon. The keys are beautiful. Despite having all the fraction keys, it does not have a 1 or exclamation point. Exclamation point. You can get one by finagling getting emoji on it here. There's your exclamation point. And of course, 1 is just a capital I. You can see how that looks on my list here. See, the number 1's a capital I. Okay. This is manual tab clear, or that clears the tab. Okay. So this will add a tab, obviously. That all works good. This is a great function. It'll probably come with every typewriter. Lid comes off pretty easy, by the way. The Hermes 3000, I think it's, the 3000. I've never had one, but I noticed when you take this part of it off on the 3000, it bangs into hardware on the case of the machine and causes dentage and chipping and stuff like that, which I'm really glad they fixed on this one. So this sets your key tension. It's set all the way because I'm fat-fingered, but this is almost as light as a laptop. It's very fast action. There's the sort of the identification numbers located, patents. The ribbon's pretty good. It's not brand new, but it doesn't look like it's been used that much. Keys are clean. They've been used, but this machine wasn't used. He had 2 others that he used a lot more. This one I think he just kind of used for work stuff, so, or I don't know. It's a solid workhorse. Sorry for the bad cinematography here. Okay, so let's flip it around. I think we got all the functions. Oh, this will clear everything. It will clear your tabs. All of them all at once. So you just push down on that. This releases the platen. So if you do a quick release, that's how you do that. This big thing does fold down, which is nice. So you need it. It's great when you need it. But it's nice to be able to put it away too. So here's the back. The worst of the paint loss is here. The second worst amount of paint loss is there. The labeling is all really good. It's a little scratching there. Not bad. Not bad. So this is how you get into the back. It has 2 latches. It's held by 1, which you can see it holds it. It's really tight. This latch doesn't catch. And this one, on the other hand, holds it so tight, I don't even bother. I think it's probably why the original owner didn't bother either. Because even with 2 hands, it's kind of a... You have to really pull on that thing to get it out. I believe that's where the motor is. Somewhere in there. That's pretty clean. That's how you get back there. This is a stencil holder. Don't ask me how it works. Okay. But that's what it is. They used to type stencils back in 1958. Normally I clean stickers off, but this one is pretty cool, so I left it on. Sorry, it's light in here. Focus. Well, that's probably where it came from once it got to the States. There we go. Alright, I hope this is a little better than World Star quality cinematography. That's the Hermes. It's for sale. The link is in the description of this video. It's a beautiful machine. It's a solid workhorse. It has features on it that must be used to be believed and experienced. It's just a beautiful thing. Oh, there's one other thing. There's probably other things I'm forgetting too. Really nice on this platinum feature. Oh, I have it open already, but well, it's nice when you need to get to the platinum. These things just fold right out. It's also really great for cleaning. This thing, by the way, is built it's like built like a music box. It's so dust proof. If you like typewriters but you hate dust, this is your machine. They just over-engineered it, I guess, to a ridiculous extent, but it's a solid machine. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Yeah. I was pretty excited. It's my first Hermes, so hopefully it won't be my last. One of these days I'll find a 3000. But until then, see you next time. And there, don't forget, always partake of the coffee before you partake of the flesh. It's Ryan Singer, by the way. He has a lot of other art that's not nearly as scary. You should check him out. Adios.